So who's excited for the Halloween party?
I am.
I'm ready. Me too. Hope you don't mind me being on your head.
Tweety.
I wonder what we're gonna do this Halloween.
Have a party. What else?
That is true.
Yeah, we could probably have that.
Let's wait until tonight to have that party.
Aye, good thinking, niece.
I'm down with that. Yeah, Halloween party sounds fun in the night.
Well, hopefully nothing spooky will happen.
Yeah, I hope not.
Yeah, something spooky always happens on Halloween. Totally. Well, it is supposed to be spooky after all. Isn't that what Halloween is all about?
True, true.
Well, let's get everything set it up.
Good idea.
Whoa, careful, Eddie. Don't make me fall over. Of course, I am a bird after all, so I can fly. Let's have Daisy make the Halloween cookies. Oh, that's clever.
Wonder what I should go as for Halloween.
Go as a pirate.
But I already am a pirate.
So how's the party?
Ah!
What?
You scared me.
Sorry. So how's the party?
Hey, where's Abigail?
Don't you remember? She went to take Dilly Dolly and Daisy trick-or-treating.
Oh, yeah. Okay, are we ready? We sure are. It's a great idea going as doctors. Totally. Alright, let's get some candy. Yeah!
I just hope my cousin stays safe. You know, with the virus floating around.
Agreed.
Yeah.
What was that?
Do you think they're home early?
Nonsense. There's still a whole neighborhood to explore.
True, true.
I'm sure there's a logical explanation for this.
Yeah, I hope so.
In the meantime, let's keep partying. Good thinking.
Yeah.
Yeah! What was that you bumped into?
I don't know.
Beats me. I'm tweeting this.
One of your feathers is loose.
I know.
Seriously, where is that noise coming from?
I don't know.
Well, there is a logical explanation for this.
Well, it sounds like that logical explanation's coming from that suitcase over there.
I'll go see where it is.
Careful, Uncle.
Don't worry, Tweety. I'll be alright. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Hello.
Him again.
Ah, great. You
You
again.
gave us quite scared there, buddy.
Yeah, good Halloween party.
Nice scare.
Yeah.
I'm not convinced.
Billy, come on.
Fine, I am.
Very clever.
Not.
What?
Nothing.
Never mind him. He's just a bit cranky.
Okay. Well, in this case, let's get this party
Aye,
started. That was some night, I'll say. Oh, hey guys. Guess that was fun, wasn't it? Oh, by the way, looks like the boys got tired out. You got that right. Good night, my prince. Good night, my cousin. Good night, my dear uncle. Yummy. Those Jolly Ranchers look pretty good, don't they?
Hey girls, how's it going?
Oh, nothing. We're just sharing some Jolly Ranchers.
Oh, well that's nice.
Yeah. Sure is. I really like how fruity and tasty they are. Daisy does too.
Oh yeah. I wonder.
Happy Halloween!
Edmeister is a part of a Self-Splitter production.
Ding ding ding. I didn't do it.